Yeah, so we're just going to try out this Deus 1 WS4 Master setup. So that's where you put the WS4 module on the stem, so you can look at the target IDs and adjust the settings and just pair them up to the WSA phones. So yeah, it's a bit like the WS2 Master setup. So you can get this with discount for under 500 quid, so it's pretty good, worth checking out. Yeah, got it from Regton's, so yeah, we'll try it out. And it's just nice to see the target IDs on the screen. Yeah, I know you should just use your audio, you just use your ears, but yeah, obviously the only thing it hasn't got is an XY screen, but you know, you can't have everything. That's not bad for the money. Cool.